How to check Snapchat recap. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can check Snapchat recap. For this, you want to use the latest version of the Snapchat app. Open up Play Store or App Store on your device. Now search for Snapchat over here. If you find the update button, go ahead and tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After the application has been updated, go ahead and launch it open. Now, you want to log into your account by entering your credentials. If you want to check your Snapchat recap of 2024, go ahead and tap on the memory icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, at the top, you will find different recaps. You can find flashbacks and random stories. And here at the front, you have the option of your 2024 Snap Recap. Go ahead and tap on this option over here. Now, you will be able to find all of your Snapchat recap of 2024 from here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.